Good morning, Quabbin students and families. We're so excited to welcome you back to school. Today I'd like to talk to you about having a safe bus ride to and from school. First, families, before your child comes to school each day, we want to make sure that you're checking that they're healthy and they don't have any signs or symptoms of concerns, such as temperature, fever, chills, runny nose. Then, students, when you arrive each day, if you take the bus from a bus stop, you want to make sure that you place yourself 6 feet apart from others. We know you're going to be so excited to see your friends, but remember, if you think about putting your arms out and staying away from one another, you can wait at the bus stop safely. It's okay if you're closer to your siblings and your families at the bus stop, but you want to make sure that you're respectfully distancing from others. We have certain procedures on the bus this year that you're going to need to know about. Each of you who are riding the bus will have your name on the window of where your seat is. On the first day, this might be a little bit confusing because you're going to have to look for your seat. But in no time at all, you'll find out just where your seat's going to be because it's going to stay the same throughout the year. And you'll easily be able to board the bus in an order so that the people at the back of the bus board first when getting on, and then everyone else will follow suit. And when we dismiss, we'll dismiss from the front of the bus to the end of the bus. When you board the bus, you want to make sure that you keep yourself and your belongings tight to yourself before you enter your seat. And when you're sitting in your seat, you want to make sure that you're facing forward at all times and that you're not turning and talking to others. Also, it's going to be really important that we wear our masks the whole entire time that we're on the bus, and we don't take them off until we're told to do so at school. I guess it's time to board the bus. Let me mask up. Good morning, Mr. Bus Driver. So as I'm boarding the bus, I'm making sure to keep my hands and all things tucked in tight. I'm going all the way to the back and I'm looking for my name. It'll be marked on the window. As I look, I see someone has boarded ahead of me, and look, my name is right here. I'm going to take this seat. Sometimes you will be seated all the way to the window like my friend Adam. And sometimes you will be seated here closer to the aisle. And if you have siblings and they're riding the bus with you, you might all sit in the same seat. We're going to face forward and have a great ride to school.